the marking.
Yes.
We should put the
Grouping under SS and for the blue. Finally, number 2 on for the blue.
Now read.
Shallow, shallow.
Once again.
Shallow, shallow.
Next.
We should put the grouping under SS.
Now read.
Shrunk.
Once again.
Shrunk.
Next.
We should put the grouping under SS and AUE. Finally, number 3 on U.
Now read.
Shameful, shameful.
Once again.
Shameful, shameful.
Next.
We should put the letter under A and grouping under TI.
Now read.
Station, station.
Once again.
Station, station.
Next.
We should put the letter under A and TI under TI.
Now read.
Nation, nation.
Once again.
Nation, nation.
Next.
We should put the letter under O and grouping under TI.
Now read.
Protection, protection.
Once again.
Protection, protection.
Next.
We should put the grouping under TI.
Now read.
Collection, collection.
Once again.
Collection, collection.
Next.
We should put the grouping under TI.
Now read.
Attention, attention.
Once again.
Attention, attention.
Next.
We should put the grouping under AU and TI.
Now read.
Caution, caution.
Once again.
Caution, caution.
Next.
We should put the letter under A and grouping under TI.
Now read.
Patience, patience.
Once again.
Patience, patience.
Next.
We should put the letter under A and grouping under TI.